You get your mock griddle. Hang on, sit down. Go move over there. Sit. I'm gonna cool it down. See? Gotta cool it down first. Sit. Sit over there. No, sit on your side. No, sit on your side. You otherwise you won't get your mock griddle. Sit on your side. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Okay, here. Enjoy your mock griddle. Happy breakfast. Somebody got the mock griddle spoiled, but be careful. See, I cool it down for you. Oh yeah. Look at how Tutu spoiled. He deserves my griddle. Mommy's gone for 20 days. Gotta be careful. Is it good? We'll get water later.